Hi guys, it's Deb. I'm back and I got something in the mail today. And this is it. It's Paper Pumpkin for August. So, if you're subscribed to Paper Pumpkin and you didn't get yours yet, come back later. Bye-bye for now. Because if you want to be surprised, don't watch this. If you don't care if you're surprised, go ahead and watch, okay? Alright, so I just opened the sides and got the tape off here. Oh, looky. This is an advertisement because the September box is going to be cutesy spooktacular. Something spooky this way comes. So, if you're not subscribed for Paper Pumpkin, or if you are on a month-to-month, please make sure you stay subscribed, because you have to subscribe by September 10th to be able to get your spooktacular Paper Pumpkin box. Okay? Alright guys, so yeah. Subscribe by September 10th if you dare. Woohoo. So, here's our Stampin' Spot. Oh, this is so good. Because I was actually just thinking of getting the Blackberry Bliss classic stamp pad. But we got the little Stampin' Spot. So this is a very dark purple. I don't know if you could see it. And here's the stamp set, which I'd probably be better off leaving here. It says, let's see if I can do this. I need a piece of dark something. 1 second. Let me get some, sorry. Give me this dark blue, and then I'll probably glare you to death. Okay, hang on. So sorry. Black paper. Black paper will show it best, I think. Hopefully, maybe. Okay, we have thank in print with a U and an exclamation point. Thinking of in printed and then U. This is congratulations. It's actually upside down. Let's see. This says, oh, you make me so happy. And this says, the loss is immeasurable, but so is the love left behind. Aww. That's kind of a sad one, but sometimes necessary. Then we have a flower and a heart and another like a dandelion flower and then a little flower here. This kit is called Blissful Blooms. So yeah, that's the stamp set you get with it. And we have this beautiful turquoise tissue paper. So let's see the kit. Now I'm comfortable putting this up because I did see that Paper Pumpkin already put their video of this up. Let me get rid of the box. This is what it looks like, guys. Beautiful floral cards and some envelopes. Looks like they have foiling and something inside. Says visit our site to watch a quick video that will show you how to make this project. pumpkinhowto.com. So let me open this up. Ooh, look at this pretty twine. It has sparkle in it. It's pink and it has sparkle in it. It looks like blushing bride color to me. I don't know if they even tell you the colors in Paper Pumpkin or not. And I'm not gonna make anything with it right now. But I will be doing so over the weekend, and I'll try to do either a live or a video tutorial of it, the way you're supposed to do it, and then I'll also try and have 1 or 2 alternatives for you. These are the regular size what are they called? Stampin' Dimensionals. And I love the Stampin' Dimensionals. So these look like the envelopes. They are silver foiled. Ooh, they have little speckles in them. Green. Are they all green? No, some are red or pink, I guess. They're sort of a bright, might be like Poppy Parade, because I don't think I have this color. It's sort of a, I don't know. oh, are these the same? Yeah. They're like pinks and garden greens. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guess it would help if I look at the instructions. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have 5 with the green in it, and there's nothing on the fronts, but they're silver foiled. I like that. I like that. I just bought some envelopes that are silver foiled. Okay, so here are your cards, and 1, 2, 3, 4. No, there's 5 here, but I think there's more underneath. One sec. Okay, yes. And then there are 5. So there's 2 different style cards. And one is like this, and one is like this, with an opening here, so you can stamp in the middle. And I guess you could either do it this way, like, and have, you know, congratulations, or thinking of you, or you could do it this way and have the loss is immeasurable, but so is the love left behind. So 2 styles of cards. Very nice. You have these mini glue dots included. And the twine, did I mention the twine? It's so pretty. It's pink with sparkle in it. Silver sparkle. How pretty. Then you also have silver foiled, oops, what do they call it? Like tags, skinny ones, and then double-sized ones. For your stamping, you can stamp on them and then pop them up with dimensionals. And vellum leaves, foliage, different styles. You got little ones here and bigger ones here. So a couple, 2 or 3 different styles, and you get 2 sheets of those. I love that. Oh wait, there's another one. So these 2 are green. I'm guessing, I don't know if they're like garden green or old olive. And then you have some just regular vellum ones, same pattern. 1 sheet of those. So that's really awesome. 3 sheets of vellum leaves. And then of course you get the instructions. So here's some examples of what they did. They did stamp on the labels and pop them up on the cards. But you could actually stamp some flowers and stuff on the envelopes, or do something else with the envelopes, which probably might be what I do with some of them. And then let's see. So I find that the instructions are very basic and sometimes leave some stuff out. So it basically says stamp sentiments. It doesn't say where to stamp sentiments. If you're going to do it in assembly line style, it is, I find personally, best to stamp all your sentiments first. That way the ink has time to dry while you're doing whatever else you're going to do. Then it says adhere vellum leaves behind the label with glue dots, maximum 2 clear vellum, maximum 4 green vellum leaves per card. I guess that's so that you have enough for each card. Loop 12-inch twine and adhere to back of label with dimensionals. Okay, so they're looping the twine around the label. Okay, they have it here. You can see a little bit of twine in the background on it, just on these ones. Okay, and then adhere labels with dimensionals. So wait, what did they use the glue dots for? Oh, the vellum leaves. So they stuck the vellum leaves onto the back of the labels with the glue dots. They stuck the twine to the back of the label with dimensionals, and then they put the labels down onto the card with the dimensionals. So step 4. And that's it. Pretty simple. This month is easy. So yeah, I you know, I like my flowers and stuff, and these cards are very pretty. Something simple to make, and very bright, cheerful colors. Obviously Blackberry Bliss, which is this color here. These almost look like Berry Burst, which is one of the in colors. And then also the twine, and this sort of look like either Blushing Bride. I think we have Blushing Bride, and maybe, I don't know if it's Petal Pink or Powder Pink. Now we've got some like yellow and yellow green, like lemon lime twist and daffodil delight. I am starting to know these names, and a couple different greens in here. So yeah, very pretty. Nice for August, which is summertime still. Nice floral. And of course your 10 envelopes. So 10 cards, 10 envelopes, your Stampin' Spot, your pretty pink twine, your stamp set, which has nice sentiments on. I'm not too sure about the one personally that says the loss is immeasurable, but so is the love left behind. I mean, that could be for a pet loss too, you know, and or a human loss, which we don't like to think about, obviously. Congratulations, you make me so happy. Thank you, and thinking of you. Those are all lovely, can be used anytime. And then the flowers and the hearts. So yeah, very pretty. Very pretty. And most of you who signed up this past month got it for $10, so not bad for $10, you know. It's a set of note cards and envelopes, and you can make them however you'd like, or use them for something different. So that's the paper pumpkin this month. But don't forget next month, because next month is going to be something spooky. Sounds like fun to me. It's just fun. It's just fun getting a little, in this month, orange. And now look, this month was a little different too, because they put polka dots on the box. And I don't think, oh no, it did have polka dots last month too. Huh, I didn't even notice them last month. They seem, now that's interesting, because I'm looking at February's, and the dots don't quite seem as bright. They're there. They're not as bright. And last month, which was July, they're there, but they're not the same shade of pink. These are more in line with the pink twine color. How about that? I do think that's Blushing Bride, but I don't know that they tell us that in here. Let me just take a quick peek and see, and then I'll let you go. Oops, I'm losing my hair. It's been a little bit of a stressful day, guys. More so for my mom, I'm sure. But so your kit includes Blissful Blooms photopolymer stamp set, Blackberry Bliss classic Stampin' Spot, 10 card bases, 10 envelopes, 3 laser cut vellum sheets, 1 sheet silver foil tags, 4 yards baker's twine, 4 yards, that's pretty good, 75 dimensional, 75 adhesive dots. Okay, the colors are Blackberry Bliss, Flirty Flamingo. I was wrong, it's Flirty Flamingo. That's also a beautiful pink. Lemon Lime Twist, okay, and Old Olive is the green. So there you go. Blackberry Bliss, Flirty Flamingo, Lemon Lime Twist, Old Olive. And I may be using some of them to do my alternates. So, alright guys, that's it for now. I will come back sometime over the weekend, if not today. I may do it today, because I'm about fried. I have some paperwork stuff to do, but I do that better in the morning, so I may come back today after playing with this. Okay? Talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace. Bye for now.